What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get 2 sales per week with this one new large commission product that will earn you $468.33 per sale. And I've actually been using this strategy before and have been making 2 to 5 sales per week. I'm going to show you proof right now with this much smaller product. So the commission hasn't been as high, but the fact that I'm getting still the same amount of sales is really good. So in this video, I'm going to create this case study video right here using the same strategy with this new larger commission product. And I'll update you guys just like I'm doing right now with my live sales with this product. And what's nice about this method, it's a completely free method to do. And this is an easy 4-step process, which is very important to understand. I'm going to explain that to you right now. But first, if we have a look here, this is my current sales for the last 4 weeks. Now, it hasn't quite been $1,000 per week as I have been using a much smaller product or a smaller commission product. I'm going to show you that product right now. And literally, this has all been passive, by the way. I've only posted once and I've been earning this every week, completely passive. I haven't been doing anything to earn this. It's literally from one post that I've been earning this, and you'll see right here the last week of December I earned about 5 sales at $11 or $10.5 each at a total of 52. The first week of Jan was $18. There was 1 or 2 sales. The second week of Jan was about 3 or 4 sales, 1 sale in the third week of Jan, and up to date $11.39, which is about 1 sale as well. The commissions vary over time, and you'll see overall in Jan so far I've made $146 using this. But considering that I've been using a much smaller product, the commissions have still been very good. So the product I've actually been using is this one right here, Video Marketing Blaster, which is a tool I've been using to help my videos get traction on YouTube. It's a really amazing tool that helps you rank on the top pages of Google and YouTube. And you can see right here the commissions aren't very high. They do vary. At one stage it was only $10 a sale. Now it's gone up, I see, double to $21. But this is going to consist of 4 steps, as I explained. So the first step is we're going to find this high converting product, which I'm going to show you this exact product that I'm going to be using for this strategy. We're going to find professional articles that relate to this product using this free tool and website that I'm going to show you. Really highly convertible articles, which I really recommend for future online business. And then we are going to create an ebook with this article, giving free value with your affiliate link. And why this is so high converting is because people love free stuff. They love free value and they'll love you for that. And we're going to upload these ebooks to these 2 websites that is getting 140 million traffic or clicks or views on the website per month, which is a very big traffic method. There's a lot of traffic on this website that we're now going to expose our ebooks to and get a lot of volume to our ebooks. So the first thing we need to do is we obviously need to head over to clickbank.com, which is the #1 affiliate marketplace for affiliate marketers, where we can find tons of products to promote that are not even ours, and we literally just the man in the middle earning commission. So I'm going to head over to the affiliate marketplace or the marketplace. There's a section here called e-business and marketing, and if we filter by gravity, which is the top selling product so far, which is very high converting products, you'll see right here the one that I'm going to use is this one right here, the Super Affiliate System, John Crestani's auto webinar funnel. Now with this is basically an entire course that teaches people how to monetize their entire online business with affiliates, commissions with an affiliate business, whether you've got an Instagram page, a Facebook page, a TikTok account, it could be anything. This entire course teaches you how to monetize yourself, monetize your online businesses with affiliate marketing, and basically earn a passive income from that, which is really amazing. It's a very valuable course, and we're basically going to use this to solve a lot of people's problems and questions on how to get yourself monetized online. So now we've got our offer. We need to come over to a website called ezignarticles.com, which is a website where professionals post very professional articles on various different categories. You can see right here they range through so many different categories, and you can use these ebooks for yourself, for your business, to repost, or whatever you like, you can use this. So obviously with this product being about affiliate marketing, it's all related to the make money online niche. So I'm going to come over to the search bar in eZine Articles, and I want to find articles regards or related to make money online. So I'm going to just type that in the search bar. You can see right here, top 10 ways to make money online, a quick guide on how to make money online, 10 best ways to make money online. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to sift through this new one. I'm going to open it up in a new tab, read through it, see if it's a very good one. You can see right here, yeah, this is actually fairly good. The internet offers great money-making opportunities. This is something really good that we can use. We can turn this into an ebook, and I'm going to show you these 2 new websites where we're going to post this ebook and get a lot of volume to our affiliate link. So what you can do is you need to download a tool, something like LibreOffice Writer, which is basically a Linux-based version of Microsoft Office. It's literally Microsoft Word, but a free version or an alternative to that. You can actually come to the website right here. If you type in LibreOffice Writer on Google, right here is LibreOffice.org. The website looks like this, and you'll be able to download over here on the top. You can then download for Windows or Mac or Linux over here. It's completely free to download. It's a completely free software to use. I really want to keep this entire strategy as free as possible for you guys. So you'll see right here, once that's done, I've got here on my computer installed. See right here, I've got the LibreOffice app, and I've basically got an entire blank document that looks just like Word, and we're going to build our ebook with this tool. So literally what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire article, and I'm going to bring it back to my LibreOffice Writer document, and I'm just going to paste it here like this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to neaten this up a bit, so I'm going to type in top 10 ways to make money online. My recommended way is number 10. Example that I want to do is I'm just going to make this larger text, because remember, this is an ebook that people are going to download, so we want to make it look a little bit attractive as well. So you'll see right here, this is sort of a introduction here, and there's 10 different ways. So I'm going to put here like number 1, and then I'm going to put a space here. This is obviously number 2. Right here is obviously way number 3. Then this is obviously number 4 over here. You can sort of see where the paragraphs end. This is number 5 over here. This will be number 6. This over here will be number 7. We're just numbering it, making this look more like a professional ebook. That's why I'm numbering it. This will be number 8, and this will obviously be number 9. And then number 10 is the one we're going to create with our affiliate or our product on Clickbank. So then I'm just going to type here number 10. I'm going to remove all of this, and I'm just going to type here my recommended way to make money online that helped me to monetize my Instagram page, Facebook page, and YouTube channel, and run a full-time income from my laptop. A full-time, let's put sustainable income from my laptop. What I'm also going to do is I'm just going to add like a bit of color to the main headings of each little paragraph. So I'm going to use blue as a color, which is quite a nice one. I'm going to make this bold as well. And I'm also going to type at the end of my number 10 bonus, get your free training here. Because what's nice about this affiliate offer, you'll see right here on the landing page, there's actually a free training video right here first, which is really nice. So again, you're giving free value to your audience by providing them a free training. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to Clickbank. You'll see right here on your product, you've got a big promote button. You want to click on that, and it will pop up with your hop link. So just enter your account name. I'm going to click on generate hop link. I'm going to copy this hop link. I'm just going to come back to bit.ly to shorten my link, and you can also track the amount of clicks it gets through your article, which is really handy. So you can see the amount of people that are clicking on your link. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create over here, paste this long link, click on create. I'm going to then copy this short link, and I'm going to come back to my Office Writer or my PDF, and then I'm going to put this link over here. And what you can do is you can even add some pictures here as well, just to make it look more attractive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my Clickbank offer over here, and you'll see right here, our product actually has an affiliate sales page where we can get a ton of free content, such as free emails, free Facebook ads, free YouTube ads that you can use. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to screenshot this little picture of the video. So you'll see right here, if I come back, we can pause this here, and on your keyboard there will be a screenshot button. You can press Control Screenshot, or you can go get a screenshot tool Windows that you can use to take a screenshot, such as Alt Print Screen or Lightshot, which is a screenshot tool. So I've screenshotted this page. I'm going to come back to Paint, which comes with Windows. I'm going to paste this entire thing here with Control V. Then what I'll do is I'm literally going to come home here, rectangular shape, and I'm going to crop this out like that. There we go. And I'm going to save this over here, file, save as. I'm going to save this to my downloads on my local PC. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my documents, and I'm just going to drag this picture in here. Here we go. Pretty much just like this. So get your free training here with the link over here. And I'm going to paste the link here again below and above it. So that is pretty much what this looks like. And once my ebook's complete, you'll see right here, there's actually a print option right here. So I'm going to click on print. It's going to pop up with a tab like this. And we want to select Adobe PDF as the file type. And then what we can do is we can click on OK. And you'll see right here, this tab will then pop up as save PDF file as. I'm going to save this to my downloads and just go free ebook is the name. I'm going to save that, and you'll see right here, this is now what my PDF looks like. And you'll see right here, here's your free training link here with this video that leads to your affiliate link. And you'll see right here, if I come over to website similarweb.com and type in slideshare.net into the website or the search bar, you'll actually see right here, this is one of the websites we're going to be using to get a lot of traffic. Is currently getting, just waiting for this to pop up here, 118 million views in traffic per month, which is a lot of traffic that is coming to this website, which is really fantastic. So you'll see right here for December 2019, it was 118.5 million people that clicked and viewed this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to slideshare.net. You can literally click on the upload button right here. You can click on select files to upload. I'm going to log in with my LinkedIn account. You can either log in with your LinkedIn account or create an account on this website. Once that's done, I'm going to go back and look for my PDF and upload this PDF. The title we can put here, top 10 ways to make money online in 2020. And you can put here for the description, free training here on how I personally monetized my Instagram, Facebook, you can put your TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube channel and built a full-time sustainable income online from home. I can then put my affiliate link here. Category we can put in business if you'd like to. Public, yes. Tags we can go how to make money online. Make money online. Top 10 ways to make money online. This just helps with SEO purposes on the slideshare.net. Once it's done, we can literally click on publish, and when people view this PDF and see the description, they will see the free training in the PDF and the description of this product. But that's not all. We can also come over to a website called Scribd.com where we can do the same thing. You'll see right here, you can sign in and post your ebooks here as well. You can use something like canva.com to create a professional ebook cover, and you can post on here and get a ton of traffic to that same ebook. And you'll see right here, if I copy this website's link, come back to SimilarWeb, paste it over here, you'll see this website is also getting a ton of traffic on a monthly basis, currently at 102 million clicks or views per month, which is a lot of traffic coming to this platform as well. So what I suggest is create a ton of ebooks on various different niches. You'll see right here, if I come back to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, you can go create ebooks on arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing. Go have a look at everything throughout these categories. Go and post your ebooks on slideshare.net, Scribd.com, and remember, you want to build up volume, because let's say each ebook gets 5 views a day and you've got 100 ebooks, that's 500 views per day. You're getting on your affiliate links at least 1 or 2 of those sales a day. Out of those 500 people is $400 a day on this specific product, which is a lot of money. So hopefully you can sort of understand the volume concept with this method, and why something like this over time is very effective and can be very profitable. But guys, if you want to see some of my best free courses right here on YouTube, some of my best playlists, I've got a couple of them right here on the screen. Some of my best ones like Build Raw Training, Clickbank, more Clickbank videos and courses, how to make money online in 2020, amazing playlists here on the screen. Choose one of these, go check out some of these videos. Hopefully I can help you guys out. Also join my private Facebook group down below in the description, and I'll see you guys there.